thinking about switching to Linux but not sure which distro suits you best? Before installing, let's try it online. Meet Distro C, the easiest way to test Linux without touching your hardware drive. No downloads, no installation, just instant access to the most popular distros. Simply pick your distro, click Start, and within a second, you are inside a real Linux environment ready to explore everything. Run commands and see if it's perfect fit before committing. Test the interface. Literally here you can find any distribution that you're looking for, except I was looking and searched for Kali Linux, but I didn't find anything about Kali Linux to test it. I hope you find this video was useful and see you next video.